Hello and welcome to the Victoria Tourism Industry Council Quality Tourism Business Program. In this series and course and video, I will give you a quick tour of what the Quality Tourism Business Program is and what it is made up of and the systems that you need to become familiar with, not only as a new quality tourism business participant going through the journey, but also as a VTIC member and showcasing all of the other benefits and tools that you have access to. My name is Despina Karatius and I am the very proud VTIC Quality Tourism trainer and mentor, helping our wonderful industry and the wonderful team here at VTIC with the process of becoming a quality, sustainable, accredited tourism business. First off, I want to take you on a little tour of your VTIC member portal. So if we can have a look here as a member, when you log in to your VTIC portal, this is what it looks like. You go to vtic.com.au and once registered, you could see in the member area, this is where you have a gamut of tools, templates, data, insights, all of your VTIC member logo kit, insurance support, workplace relations support, and government grant support. So please, if you haven't already, go and check out the member portal on your VTIC's website. So if you haven't already, I encourage you to visit vtic.com.au and log in and check out the member section so you know where all of the supporting material, templates, tools and advice exists that is loaded with value and that you have access to as a valued VTIC member. Now, that's VTIC. Now, when we talk about accreditation and what it means to become a sustainable accredited tourism business, we need to firstly address where this comes from. This is part of a national framework and the program exists and is delivered by the Australian Tourism Industry Council. So as a VTIC member, you have access to all of these quality tourism programs and accreditations. Now, the one that this particular program that you enrolled in right now is the Sustainable Tourism Accreditation. Now, as you can see, this is where we first want you to enroll. And once you have completed your Sustainable Tourism Accreditation, then you will have access to a range of other programs that the team here at VTIC help you complete and help champion you and, more importantly, help to celebrate your achievement. So that's the Quality Tourism Framework and all of these accreditations and programs. We want to make sure that you are fully aware that they're part of national standards and delivered by the Australian Tourism Industry Council, and we're here to then help support our businesses and our members and our community become accredited. So that's a little bit of background of where the accreditation and all of the other quality tourism framework programs exist. And now we're going to move on to the actual quality tourism framework, where you must enroll and have access to this quality tourism framework portal to complete your accreditation. So this is where this exists. And first up, if we come up here to the Enroll for a New Program, and this is where first up we want you to be enrolled in the Sustainable Tourism Accreditation Program. But once we are done here, this is where I work very much one-on-one with businesses, and you have the opportunity to do the same if you're ever get stuck, where you can come in and enroll in the other recommended programs. Accessible Tourism Accreditation Program, for example, or online trade distribution. Any of these programs, it's an excellent roadmap to aspire to as you kind of build your badges, build your skill set, and build that quality tourism muscle. Now, once we are here and into the program, I want to now take you on a little tour of what that accreditation looks like. What I want to do now is just give you a look at an example of a quality tourism framework section within your accreditation journey. So let's take a look at business and marketing plan. Now, to start with, you're very much paced through it. So for your business and marketing plan, we want to come in here and simply just following the instructions. Please provide an overview of your business. Now, if you want some more information, we're just clicking on the little blue question mark and it will take you to some more info. So this is where you're just freestyling. Now, this is where the Quality Tourism Business Training Program can help you with. However, you can go through this if you already have the information available to your business. For example, does your business have a business and marketing plan? If you say yes, an opportunity comes up for you to select and upload your business plan, Word doc, PDF, however your file has it, this is where you can input it. Now, if you don't have a business and marketing plan and you select no, I want you to draw your attention that you have two options here. You can use the available template, okay? That's here. Now, to see if you're going, well, where is the available template? That's where you can come in here and download and complete a template that is available here. So there's a business plan template and a marketing plan template. But you will notice these here, you would have to download them, fill them out, and then come back and upload them. Alternatively, you can choose to complete the supplied fields. So here you can come in and just go question by question. What is your product differentiation? You've got a little tip there and you fill in free text. Who are your competitors or target markets? Fill that in and all the way to the bottom. And by the end of this, what I encourage all of our wonderful quality tourism businesses is, if you are choosing this option, just open up a blank Word document or a Google Doc, however you like, or a text doc, and just keep this as for your own record, because the great thing is that you can use this when you're done as a completed business and marketing plan. Now, if you come to the end of this and you're complete and that red cross at the very beginning does not turn into a green tick, what I want you to do is click on this highlight incomplete questions, and you'll see, because I'm going through this from scratch for the example, everything is highlighted red that needs some love and attention from me. So that's as easy as it gets. You could come in here and section by section, you'll see down the bottom, green tick, green tick. Now we're going into business and marketing. I can go to the next section, so I'm going to HR, but because I have not completed it, that's how I know. It will automatically translate into a green tick when it's done. So that's really the simplicity of going through the Quality Tourism Framework portal, and for you to be able to complete it section by section, starting with your business details, entering your insurance details, your licenses and permits, then your business and marketing, your HR, customer service, your operating systems, your risk, your environmental, social and cultural responsibility, and of course then your ATDW. And then you get to the part where you can hit that green button that says submit, and our wonderful team, Tammy and Miranda, will be able to kind of review your submission, and either it's going to be perfect and we shout hooray from the rooftops, or we send it back to say, hey, we missed this section here, we need a little bit more information around a certain element of what you've submitted. So that's what the Quality Tourism Framework looks like. That's where you input all of your information. Now, to help support you If this is all just too overwhelming for you and where you're at in your business, this is where the Quality Tourism Business Program and one-on-one mentoring sessions exists. This is where you have access to a range of quality tourism self-paced modules where you can come in and section by section learn and have a little bit more context and perspective on why these things are important for you and your business, which is an excellent way if you've got a new team member or you're outsourcing this process to someone else in your business. This is where they come in here and have access to some more training and learning and skills building to support the quality tourism framework journey. So this is where you are here. This is where the journey starts, and it is here for you as an additional support where you can access all of those very tailored templates to our wonderful tourism industry, and also where you can really gather more learning about our industry and about ways that you can grow your business within the visitor economy in the state of Victoria. I will look forward to seeing your progress, and please never hesitate to book a one-on-one mentoring session if you ever get stuck or if you want some more planning or direction or some goal setting together. So thank you for joining. Thank you for being here. The team and I look forward to seeing you throughout the journey and being there at the end to celebrate you as our latest quality, sustainable tourism accredited business.